Hello, welcome back to another video about AI and automation. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 brand new features that you can add to your automations using Make.com. So let's get started. Okay, so the first new AI feature that I'm going to show you is the ability to generate images using OpenAI with their new DALL-E 3 language model. So I'm going to select OpenAI here, then I'm going to select generate an image. And now we have this new option here to generate the image using DALL-E 3. Then you can write a prompt. So you can say, just for this example, image of a guy recording YouTube video using a MacBook and a second screen. And then you can run this. So you can see the powerful DALL-E language model to generate images now here on Make.com. So the image was generated. You can check here. You can check the URL of the image and you can open in a new tab. And here you can have the image. Okay. Now the second AI feature that we're going to use is the vision one. So this is also another powerful feature, is the power of analyzing images. So we can select here, we can add the structures, like what are you wanted to analyze on that specific image. So you can write any kind of prompt that you want, and then you can add the image here. So you can add the image URL or the image file that you have here. Okay, so I'm gonna add the image URL here. So I'm adding here the image that I just generated from OpenAI itself. So I'm just gonna say what kind of computer the guy is using. Let's see, I haven't tested it before. This with this image, of course, so we can test it together. So let's. Okay, so now you have here the message. So the individual, this is the output. The individual in the image is using an Apple MacBook laptop. So it's, of course, very accurate here. So this is the second feature that you can start using on your automations. The third one now is the ability to use ChatGPT 4 Turbo here. So you should select the create a completion. Then you can select now GPT-4 Turbo, which is the latest update to the language model. And then you select the role system and you write the message content. For example, why is automation important to businesses? Okay, and you can run this so we can get the output. Okay, so it's ready. So let's check the output. So content. Okay, so this is the output of this module. So yeah, it's a long content about why automation is important to businesses. Okay, so using their brand new GPT-4 Turbo model. You also now have the ability, which is our fourth brand new AI feature here, to generate an audio from a text. So this is very new here. Of course, as always, you need to add a text as an input to this automation so you can get the audio from it. I'm gonna get the content that I just created using the previous step, and I'm gonna add as an input to this module here. So just adding here, and then I'm gonna select this module. And I'm gonna run this. Okay, so it's ready. Great. So as you can see, the output audio file was created. Okay, I'm using that text input that I added there. Now we have this binary code, and also we have the MP3 here. What you do on these cases here is to add another step to download the audio or to upload it into your Google Drive folder or any other storage that you use there. Okay, so you can, of course, access the audio file here that you just created. Okay. Last but not least, on our list here is the ability to transform a text to structured data. Okay. This module here, what you should do basically is to select the module that you want to use. So you can use the latest one. So you have now the GPT-4 Turbo available, the text that you want to parse. So you can add any type of text that you want, the prompt, so the description of how you want to structure the data, and then of course the parameters itself. So you should add the name of the parameter that you wanna pass through this, the description, and the data type is gonna be text, a number, an array or other type of data here. Then you can run this. Of course, that this is gonna work for very long tasks or tasks that are not well organized, where you can use this to better structure or to extract data that you need, especially when you're dealing with numbers, with variables that you need to extract from a long or a bad organized text. And that is really, really helpful. So yeah, as you can see, now you have all those different capabilities with AI by integrating with make.com. And of course, I always like to say that when you start adding AI to automations, you are taking automations to the next level. And also that you can use the AI output here as the end output of the automation, but also to help you make your automations better, to use the AI modules in the middle of any automation that you are building to make sure that it's going to get the most out of it. Okay, so are you ready to start implementing those new AI features to your automations? You saw that it's very easy to just connect to your OpenAI account using Make.com, so you can start creating all those different AI assets from images to text, audio, right from your Make.com scenario. So start using them right away. And as always, if you need any help with automations, with AI, and with optimizing your business operations, just click on the link down below so we can get on a call and I can show you how we can help you scale and become more efficient. Thank you.